Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a Lego fan. This fan is way more stronger. As you can see, there are 4 motors and it has a bigger propeller to give more air. So this fan works in both directions like this. And now let's get started with the build. So as you can see over here, I didn't fully dismantle some of the pieces. So later in the video, I'm going to explain you guys how to make these pieces so you can make it. So let's start with getting this long piece. So basically you need a bunch of these connectors, and then place one here, one here, here, and here and here. I put them in this. We put them in this order. So later, when we put these axles, they don't come over here. They don't. And then, so next thing, we can put one of these here, and then another one here, like this, and like this. These pieces, you basically get the axle and put it in the gear. Get the big gear. Big gears are the best for this. And then attach it get these 2 long connectors. Put them over here and also over here, like this. And now these both are going to connect these 2 pieces and secure these gear and axles so they don't fall out. Next we're going to get these motors over here, these 4 motors. With the motors, we can get, first we'll get this motor, large motor. We can get one of these connectors, put it over here like this. Your build should look like this, and snap it right over here. On the other side, like this. Now we can get the other large motor, and then do the same process. Put the connector in here, and then snap it over here like that. And then we can do this M motor. Get the connector piece, snap it in there like this. And then for the last M motor, I choose extra strength one. We'll do the same one like this. Like this. Now your build should be looking like this. Now we'll make the part. Now we can get this big gear, attach it over here. So now we're basically making the part which increases the speed of this. So, and then we can get 2 of these long pieces, connector pieces, put them in here like this, and then snap this long piece on like there. Now the top part is done. You can put this to the side somewhere. I'll just put it here, and we can start with the base. So first we need these 2 pieces. Connect them like this, and then we can put these connector pieces like this on the corners. And now Now you should be putting these green pieces over here, like snap them in like this, like this. Now we can get this this piece over here. Put two of these black connector pieces in on the very edges, like there, and flip it around. Put the other connectors like this. It should be looking like this. Leave one space in the middle, and now we can put it over here like this. Like this. Now we can get these pieces and connect them like this. This piece is half axle, half the other connector piece. And then if you see this Lego M motor here, we have to make sure these spaces are on the bottom to connect these pieces at the back over here. And now we can put the top part over here like this. Make sure your build look exactly like this to maintain the balance of the fan, because all of these motors are really heavy and you don't want it to topple over. And then next is the propeller. For the propeller, get these two like circle pieces, join them over here, put this to the side, join them like this, and then get like those connectors I showed you. Put the long connector piece over here, the small connector piece over here, and then in the middle, make sure if you see this line over here, there's like this line, make sure the other one also has that line and it's also matching with the other one. Now put this propeller over here and then on this axle. Now we can wire everything up. Set the wires up like this to make it easier for you, and then connect these two wires and also these two wires. And now the next step is to put it in, wire it up to the receiver. Like snap it over here like this. You can do any way, and then connect the receiver to the battery box. Make sure the number on the receiver is the same one on the remote. Like if this one is 4, this one has to be 4. Now let's see how it works. Make sure every piece is everything is like tight, and this is how it's going to work. Make sure the settings are this of the remote, like the settings look like this. You have to put one push one up and then pull one down. Like this one can go up and this one can go down. And then the other way like this. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and